Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
A day before Navi Mumbai goes into a 10-day lockdown, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Friday has reported its third highest single-day spike of 257 COVID-19 positive cases. On Thursday, it had reported 265 cases, setting a new second highest record. A total of 7,345 cases have been reported in NMMC jurisdiction so far. There were 8 more deaths reported on the day. The total deaths in the city are now 232. Koparkhirne has reported the most cases on the day, with Airoli and Ghansoli again reporting high number of cases. The recoveries on the day are much lower at 152. 4,116 people have so far recovered, with the recovery percentage staying at 56%. The active cases continue to rise at 2,997. 48,798 people have completed their quarantine period, while 20,638 people have been quarantined at home. A total of 21,942 people have been tested for COVID-19 in NMMC jurisdiction till date. 13,669 of these tests have given negative results. Test results of 928 persons are awaited. The breakup of 257 positive cases ward-wise is Belapur Ward 29, Nerul Ward 35, Vashi Ward 16, Turpe Ward 9, Koparkhirne Ward 61, Ghansoli Ward 43, Airoli Ward 46 and Digha Ward 18. 19 children have tested positive on the day. These include a 2-year-old boy from Rabale, a 15-year-old girl from Sector 23 in Koparkhirne, a 15-year-old boy from Sector 12 Koparkhirne, a 7-year-old girl from Shiravne Gaon in Nerul, a 17-year-old girl and a 15-year-old boy from Sector 18 Koparkhirne, a 14-year-old boy from Sector 48A in Seawoods, a 14-year-old girl and an 8-year-old girl from Sector 19 in Koparkhirne, a 5-year-old boy and a 14-year-old boy from Sector 15 in Airoli, a 17-year-old boy from Digha, a 1-year-old boy from Sector 3 in Airoli, a 12-year-old boy from Sector 13 in Nerul, an 8-year-old boy from Khairne Gaon, a 15-year-old boy from Sector 11 in Koparkhirne, an 8-year-old girl from Koparkhirne, an 11-year-old boy from Sector 1 in Airoli, an 8-year-old boy from Sector 9 in Airoli. The details of patients tested positive is on your screen. The breakup of 151 recoveries ward-wise is as follows: Belapur Ward 9, Nerul Ward 47, Vashi Ward 21, Turbe Ward 5, Koparkhirne Ward 26, Ghansoli Ward 20, Airoli Ward 20, Digha Ward 3. The record spikes continue as the lockdown comes into effect from July 4. Let's together make it count. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jerry, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.